She's been trying to get at that bottle for ages. She steps on the glass. What are you doing, Pumpkin? She wants a little rubbery bit under the lid. She can't have it because it's snapped down. I'm glad she's not a heavy bird. What are you doing, Pumpkin? She'll probably end up in my class one day. Well, I'm watching you. Yeah. I'm watching you. Yeah, beep. What are you doing, spread legs? Those glasses are really, really heavy. I'm glad I found them because she's forever getting on my glass. And she can't tip them over because they're too heavy. She's such a pretty bird, Cakes are. You got blue on the end of her wings, eh? Haven't you, Pumpkin? Oh, good day. Pumpkin. Come here, come. Come. Pumpkin. Don't eye the dog off. There's a dog, one down there. Pumpkin. Come. Good girl. You are such a good girl.